So guys, we are back in this video. Before we proceed, our channel name is called Vibrant Tech. Please subscribe on it. Tell your friends more about our videos. Click on the bell and get more updates of our videos. So today in this video, we're going to show you how to make an audio amplifier. Before we proceed, let me show you the requirements that we are supposed to use. We are going to use 2 NPN transistors of 1303 type. You could get these transistors in old bulbs. We are going to use a 3.7 volt battery, snapboard, 1k ohm resistor, 6 ohm speaker, 100 microfarad capacitor, connectors, 30 inductor. Which inductor this is optional. You can use it or not. You could use an headphone. So those are the requirements. This is the circuit diagram. This is the headphone here. Signal will be coming from the headphone. Then it will enter the negative part of the capacitor, which capacitor will filter it, then deliver it to the base of the transistor. So this transistor here, you know that a transistor acts as an amplifier. If you apply a positive charge here and the input signal at the base, then you obtain the output at the collector. Then this will act as a VCC. So the signal will come from here, then this will amplify it, then we shall receive the output here. Then we shall connect another transistor here, which will amplify it further. So after amplifying it further, we shall connect the output here to the emitter here to get the common collector. The collector remaining here will act as a collector, then this will remain as the base. We shall obtain here our speaker, then our inductor will be here. You can use it or you could just place a wire. But for this case, for now we use a wire. It's not very important. You can leave it out or put it in. So let's start the connections. This is our snapboard. This is the transistor. That transistor has the base, collector, then emitter. So let's connect another transistor there. We are connecting the base here. The base is going to the collector here. Then the collector here is going to the emitter here. Then you join it to the part of the speaker. This wire is going to the speaker. That's going to give our output. So this is acting like the collector here. You place it here. Then we are done with the collector. Now we are remaining with the base. This base here, you place the positive part facing the base here. Then connect it to the base here. Then connect a wire coming from the positive part of that capacitor here, going here to our 1k ohm resistor. Then after connecting it very well there, you could connect the another part of the speaker. You could connect another wire of the speaker with the positive part of the wire here. This is going to the positive part of the battery. This is going to the battery. Then you connect part of the headphone to the emitter here. Then it will go to the negative part of the battery. Connect it very well. Then the remaining part of the headphone will go to the negative part of the capacitor to filter the input signal. Then I think we are done with the connections. Let me connect now this to the speaker here. This is our 6 ohm speaker. We are connecting it. We are connecting the wires here to the speaker now. This is our 3.7 volt battery. We are connecting it. This is the positive. Positive is going here to the positive part of the battery. Connect it very well. Then the negative is going to the negative part of the battery. So we are done with the connections. Let me first pause the music in the background. Then I've paused down the music in the background. Now let's test our circuit here. So I'm going to place it in my phone here. Let me place the part of the headphone in the phone. I've placed it in my phone. Now we are seeing here our speakers speaking here. Speaking. We are seeing it speaking very well, but it's not very loud. If you want it to be loud, you could use 12 volts at their input at the battery there. So guys, we have seen it's working. So guys, we have seen how to make an audio amplifier. We have seen how to make an audio amplifier here. Please subscribe on our channel. If you have liked this video, click on the thumb. Tell your friends more about us. Thank you for watching.